So today I bought myself this trowel because we're gonna put a little bit of concrete on this crack, and I bought some already mixed concrete patch that is used for something like this, and so I'm gonna test it out right now because sometimes we keep tipping over with our shoes in there. It's used for is to even out the concrete when you're floating concrete or you're doing a wall, and basically you can use it for anything on the wall or the floor. So after using it, make sure you clean it. It's reusable. I like the wooden handle that it comes with, and make sure you clean it, otherwise it's gonna be a little bit tough to clean after if you don't clean it right away. So always when you're gonna lay some concrete, this is what I'm using. It's already pre-mixed concrete, quick set. Make sure you either gotta blow it out, you sweep it, and then clean it. Make sure it's really clean, otherwise your concrete's not gonna, it won't stick to the floor if you don't make sure your surface is clean.
Huh? That's good. Overall, it's really good, handy for large jobs. Now we cover some of our cracks in here for safety purposes. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.